Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a navigation menu on your Godaddy website. First, log into your account. Once in, select on the website that you want to navigate or edit. Now, on the right side, click on this Edit Website button. Then it will bring you to your website editor. Now in here, to add a navigation menu, you need to go to this website section at the right. Then, simply click on this plus sign button. Here, you can choose to add a page or link to external website, or you can link it to section on a page depending on what you want for your navigation menu. For example, I'm gonna link it to a section on a page. Now, go ahead and type in a link title for it. For example, I'm gonna add privacy policy. Now, for the page, go and click on this drop down and select on 1 for your navigation menu. Then also choose the section for it. Now, below it, you need to toggle this Show in Navigation options so that it will be shown at the top and not on the footer. Now, once done, go ahead and click on this Create Link button. Then, you will now see it on your navigation menu. If you click on it, that will bring you to the page that was linked to that menu. If you want to add another one, you can just go ahead and click on this plus sign button. Just choose from these options to add one on your navigation menu. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.